Hello friends, so today we will be discussing about the Hindu 14th of February. The basic guidelines are schools to reopen for class 10 12th students from January 8. Prayer space to pay homage to the farmers who have died in state. PM should take to farmers in the next round of dialogue. Ban sex selective surgeries on intersex infants or children. Builder held for duping investors of 38 lakh. Fake call center busted. Two juveniles apprehended for killing shopkeeper. Vaccination sites cut from 89 to 75 jobs in the given just 4 days a week. Government launches fifth Sero survey. Civic bodies ban sale storage of poultry. Minimum temperature of 3.2 degrees recorded in Delhi. NDMC budget proposes no new taxes in 2011, 21, 22. Supreme Court takes cognizance of contamination of rivers. Farmers protest puts JJP under strain. Haryana government has lost trust of people and MLA, says Huda. Alpha demands due share from oil firm. Panel to identify facilitators of illegal migrants. NIA court allows 5 books a month to Sudha Bhardwaj. Rajasthan gets its first vaccine consignment. CMO creates steer refers to Osmanabad and Dharashiv education boards to get BMC not to hold exams. Navi Mumbai witnessed 60% dip in narcotics cases. Terror trial, final blow, farm laws in their constitutional validity and hope. Mediating farmers' process is difficult terrain. Then Karnataka giant leaps backward, building trust vaccines to protest and false parallels. Then seven new faces introduced into Karnataka cabinet. Kerala files appeal in Supreme Court in Life Mission project case. So you need to know what is Life Mission case. Loan apps Chinese among two arrested. No clarity on tomorrow talks with farmers. So Sabrimala also said to for Makara V Kallu festival. Publication of notice of marriage not mandatory. So uh, cinemas reopen. Two good crowds in Kerala. No conspiracy in desecration of idols. Focus is on providing vaccination free of cost to all. CBFC chief for regulating OTT platforms. CCS approves 83 Tejas fighters for Air Force. Center's affidavit and attempt to mislead SC Nation. Ministry denies RTI query on farm law consultations. Many Kerala farmers to join Delhi agitation. SC allows time to Jamia to make changes in 11 cities to get co-vaccine shipments. SP fields two candidates in UP MLC polls. New parliament work may start today. Countdown begins for vaccination drive. Polio immunization drive postponed. BSF unearths tunnel in Jammu. Sarda house damaged in Kolkata fire. Adultery law must stay for military government. NSA Doval holds talk in Afghanistan. Mughal history whitewashed in texts, says to educationalist. Adani Group to invest in port terminal Gotabaya. Then guys, these all are not important. Trump is clear and present danger. A strong India would act as counterbalance to China US. Kremlin critic Navalny to fly to Russia on Sunday despite risks. 57 killed in deadliest Israeli strikes on Syria in years. US makes negative COVID-19 test mandatory for all arrivals. Sri Lanka reports new virus variant from UK. Now let us come to economic news. Infosys profit climbs 16.6%. Wipro's jumps 20.8%. RBI forms working group on digital lending. Delhi High Court asks Future to respond to Amazon plea. Kerala allowed to borrow 2,261 crore more. Hyundai Motor exports cars to Nepal via rail. IBIRFC fixes price band for 4633 crore IPO. Paytm Money to offer futures and options trading. IRDIA advisory panel on health cover. Shard Sityayan confident of making Tokyo. And then injury ridden out of India's bench. Australia gave a fortress. So these all are not important.